Down Sound donates $5 million to Haiti. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. Downtown Record has donated $5 million to Food for the Poor for a campaign to provide relief to Haiti in the aftermath of the August 17 earthquake. It's estimated that about 1,200,000 people, including 540,000 children, have been significantly affected by the earthquake. Downtown Records, which is led by Joe Vodanovic, has donated $5 million to Food for the Poor towards a Help for Haiti fund. His organization has also announced that it will be giving $20,000 to 50 nurses as well. This was what Mr. Joe Vodanovic had to say.
Thank you, everybody. Can you hear me? I don't hear it. Can you hear me? Yes. All right. Okay, that's what it is. All right. Should I take this off? Okay. Okay. All right. It's good to be here. It seems that we meet every now and then in times like these, and it's good to be here with the H&L family. Caribbean Love Now was founded on the belief that we have a duty to our Caribbean family. That duty manifests when we act in times of greatest need. We have supported Dominica and the Bahamas after devastating hurricanes, and today we reach out to our brothers and sisters in Haiti. It has been 12 days since the earthquake hit Haiti, and beyond the reports of the devastating loss of life and the destruction of homes and infrastructure is the other tragedy, that aid is not coming fast enough to the survivors. Haiti has had a long season of pain, and for many of us, it is difficult to understand how her people rise each morning with hope in their hearts. We want to honor that hope and let them know that they're not alone. Within 24 hours after the earthquake, Food for the Poor began moving aid to Les Cailloux. Your team's capabilities are undeniable. So we ask that you act as our emissary. Let the people of Haiti know that they're not alone. Caribbean Love Now today donates $5 million to the Food for the Poor Haiti Relief Program. H&L, our founding partner, will serve as a drop-off point for relief supplies, and so H&L Rapid True Value and H&L Agro stores will have the donation bins for the Jamaican families to send whatever they can. H&L Rapid True Value and H&L Agro stores will also launch a Change to Make a Change appeal so customers can donate at checkout, and those donations will go directly to Food for the Poor. Finally, the founding partners of Caribbean Love Now, which include Down Sound Entertainment, Reggae Sumfest, the R Hotel, and Usain Bolt Tracks and Records, will use their considerable social media power to amplify the Food for the Poor Haiti appeal. Above all, we know that everyone is part of everyone else. Haiti, you're not alone, and you're part of us, and we won't let you down. Thank you very much.
Caribbean Love Now is a not-for-profit foundation comprises of businesses connected to Joe Vodanovich. The foundation whose partners include Downsound Entertainment, Hardware and Lumber, among many others. This has been Links WSM TV News Report. Thanks for watching.